CPA marketing is a cool way to make money online. It is quite similar to affiliate marketing, and we all know in affiliate marketing you need to direct people to purchase a specific product right now. But in CPA marketing, you don't necessarily need to direct people to purchase any product. You just need to direct them to do some simple tasks right there. Maybe the tasks may include signing up to a website, submitting their email address, zip code, or mobile numbers while going through a simple survey. If they do that and you direct people to successfully do that, you're going to earn some cool affiliate commission. And this is quite cool right now because people don't necessarily need to purchase any product right here. And CPA actually stands for cost per action. You're going to get paid a cost as a specific price for directing people to do a certain action right now. Now right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you a cool way to make money online with CPA marketing. So do work with me as we dive right into the strategy. But before we go on further into details, you may want to just simply check out my channel right here, ojmarketing. I regularly make videos on ways to make money online, and if you do like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You can also hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bells and all to always get alerted whenever I do release new videos to help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today. So firstly guys, you may want to just simply register for a CPA marketing platform. But before we go on to registering for a CPA marketing platform, you need to take note of this particular website right here called the novatvapk.com. Now this is a very cool platform where people could easily go on to downloading the application on their mobile devices right now. As you can see, this is available for Android and for some other different mobile devices right there, and they can just simply download the application and go on to watching cool and amazing movies right there for absolutely free. So you can actually check out how cool the website actually is right here. So all you need to do is to use this as a form of gift to people, and for them to actually gain access to this, you just need to log that in something which is called content locker, such that they need to just simply complete an offer, which is a CPA marketing offer. If they complete that, they gain access to this particular platform, and you are also going to be getting a reward for them completing that, which is actually cool affiliate commissions. So basically, this is how simple this actually works. You need to just simply go on to copying this simple link right now to this particular page for them to download the application. You want to copy the link and you want to log that in a content locker. But before you can log that in a content locker or a URL file locker, you may want to just simply register for a CPA marketing platform having content locking capabilities. And here are some cool CPA marketing platform like the Max Bounty right now, or you can utilize this CPA marketing platform called CPA Grip. Now this is a cool one right now that you can easily leverage. All you need to do is to click on the register icon. You'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this, and you can just simply fill out your details on all the fields with a red asterisk sign to actually get your account created. Also check out these boxes right now, and you can agree to the terms of service because this also having the red asterisk sign. Click on register after filling out the form and get your account created before logging into your account. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my CPA Grip account. You can see how much I've actually made right now on this account. Now you want to come onto this page that says the URL file locker. That's if you're utilizing CPA Grip. But if you're using any other CPA marketing platform, you want to leverage the normal content locker option. To get to this page, come right here to this monetization tool option. Click on that, a drop down list to be shown to you. Select the URL file locker, be brought to this page. Click on create new URL file locker. Agree to the terms of service right here and just simply click on continue. Once you do that guys, the page is going to load up and you're just going to be brought to a page where you can just edit your content locker or your URL file locker right now. So take a look at these guys. You can see this section that says locked URL. You want to come right here, paste in the link to that particular website, and once you do paste in that particular link, you can actually go into editing much more details about the locker. Maybe I can come right here and I can just simply select the capture locker right now. You can just select that and actually head back to the general section. So right here in the general section guys, you may want to just simply give this locker a very cool name right now. Now you can name it anything right here. Maybe I could just simply name it movie or movie locker right now. If I do name it something like that, as you can see, this is how it's going to be shown to my audience. Once they do click on this captcha to verify if they are a robot or not, they just simply have to complete either one of this offer, which if they do complete, I'm going to get paid some cool affiliate commission, and they're going to get access to this locked content right here, which is the link to that particular website. So once that is done, you just want to go on to saving the link right now, saving this locker. Once you click on save, your locker will be generated, and you can just simply go on to clicking on this get link option for that locker. You can see your link right here, which you can copy right now. Once the link has been copied, next thing which you want to do is to create a landing page, otherwise known as a bridge page. Now this is absolutely important because they do actually help get better conversions to your offers right now, or your landing page, or your URL file locker right here. To create a landing page, you can create something quite similar to this one that you can see on the screen right now, utilizing platform like Google Sites. Now there are other landing page builder sites you can leverage, like the breezy.io right now. You can also utilize the systemy.io or any other landing page builder site of your choice. If you want to gain access to some tutorial videos that shows you how to create a landing page, you can just simply check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing. Click on the search icon and just simply come right here and type in landing page. Once you successfully do type in that and click on enter, the page is going to load up. You're going to see some cool and amazing videos that teaches you how to create landing pages right here. You can see this one shows you with Google Sites. This one shows you how to create a landing page with systemy.io. This is with Webflow. This is actually for a movie niche right now. This is for breezy.io, systemy once more, and you just want to leverage these videos right here. They can actually prove very useful to you in creating a simple landing page for your CPA marketing offer. Once you've done that and you've linked that to your CPA marketing offer, the next thing which you want to do is to promote the link to that landing page utilizing platforms like Facebook right here. Now you can just simply come onto Facebook, go onto the group section, and you want to just target movie related groups. Now if you want to target movie related groups, come right here to the search section and you can just simply search for movies. Now if I just search for movies right now and click on enter, the page is automatically going to load up, and I should be able to see a lot of movie related groups, as you can see right now on the screen. Now you can see, guys, that this group is actually having about 8 posts per day, which is actually called the movie lovers, and that's actually a cool group. Having about 5+ posts per day is actually indicating that the group is active. You can see this has about 10 posts per day, and you just want to take advantage of such groups right now. You can see this group is best movies. Now if I do click on this group right now, or this one right here, guys, you can see that even without joining the group, I can just simply post on the group. Now it is quite important that when posting on this group, you don't go on to showing them your landing page link right away, because the admin of the group might not actually let that post actually be visible by the audience of the group. So instead, you just want to go on to utilizing a different strategy. You want to come right here, click on this icon, and you want to just simply select a color. Now once you do that, you want to just simply type in a post telling them if they want to just simply gain access to a very cool website to watch movies for absolutely free, and that website is quite similar to Netflix. They can just simply comment yes in the comment section. Now once they do that, for every person that comments yes in the comment section, you just want to go on to giving them that link to that particular landing page. And when they do go onto the link to the landing page, it's going to lead them to a landing page looking similar to this. They just need to click on this, click here, which is automatically going to take them to your URL file locker. If they complete an offer, they gain access to that particular website where they can just simply watch movies for free, and you're also going to be earning some cool affiliate commission. Now that's absolutely quite cool. You can just simply head back to this particular website right here called Facebook and focus on many other groups to utilize that to promote your URL file locker link or your landing page link. Now the cool thing about this is that you can also leverage a very cool website called AdMeal. Now this is a very cool website that you can use to get much more followers, much more likes and engagement to a specific post on Facebook or any other social media platform. Now to do that or get engagement to that, you just want to sign up to that platform right now called the admealfast.com, and this platform actually works based on points. Now you go on to promoting your offers based on points, but in order for you to actually go on to promoting your offers, you need to get some specific points first. Now in order for you to get some points, you just need to go on to completing other people's tags. Now you can see some tags right here, maybe Facebook share, Facebook post like, and if I do click on Facebook share, you're going to just simply this particular offer right now. Now this is for you to just simply share this Facebook post. Now if you click on share right now, it's going to link you to that particular Facebook post, of which if you do share that, you do get 3 points for sharing. Now you can go on to completing other people's posts on this particular platform or other people's tags, and once you complete that tags, you get some points. Now in order for you to promote yours, you just need to go on to clicking on add tags, and right here if you do click on add tags right now, you can just simply go on to promoting your tags via this section right now. It is quite easy to do so. You can just simply click on add site/link also to go on to doing that. You can see right here that you need to just simply select the type if you want the Facebook likes or follows, or if you want a Facebook share. Now the Facebook share will actually be quite much more lucrative in order for us to get our offers to a lot of individuals right there, because sharing that will actually take that to a lot of people to see the offer right now. Now you can just simply add a very cool title, the post URL for that particular Facebook post, and add the total number of clicks you want, the daily clicks, and the cost per click. That is in terms of points right now. Once you do that, you just simply click on save changes, and that will be promoted on this platform. You can also go on to buying points if you want, but to do this the free way, complete other people's tags first, earn some points, and utilize that to promote your own post on Facebook, and actually get a lot of people to get to that particular URL file local link, complete some offers, and you make money online. Now you can see how easy this actually is. I do hope this video was helpful, and like I said, if you want to gain access to other cool and amazing strategies, just simply check out the videos on my channel right here, OJ Marketing. And you could also hit the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.